How to delete your Gmail account. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser in the search bar, go ahead and search for mail.google.com, and once you search for it, you simply want to go ahead and log into your Gmail account. So once you're logged into your account, you want to go ahead and tap on this profile icon, tap on manage your Google account, and once you do that, myaccount.google.com is going to open up. So once it is opened, go ahead and tap on the search icon and then type in delete. Once you do that, you'll then be able to find and delete your Google account option. Go ahead and tap onto it. After that, you want to go ahead and scroll below and then simply select these two boxes and then tap on delete account again. Once you do that, you'll then be able to delete your Gmail account. Well, that's simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.